Good morning. Damn, good afternoon from here, brother. 6:13 p.m, brother. Next to the riverside where the sea is just down there, but we're going the other way. Hey, cheesecake. Hikwe time, yes. So throughout the duration of the stream you may hear a lot of heavy breathing because we're going uphill. And I don't do uphill. Oh, cool. Alright. I'll get my ass up here and that's us. How's everyone today? How's everybody? Oh, morning, odd job. Not a fan of uphill, especially being heavier than usual, but dead life. Now before we carry on, check that out. So we are in the land of Mrs. Broxh today, and this is her ancestral meeting house known as Wairaka, who was the daughter of Toroa, who was the captain of the Mātātua waka which sat here, around here somewhere. So that's him there. Hey Shrekish. Oh, all good, interior crocodile. Thanks for dropping in, brother. So before we carry on, as I may have mentioned through some carving streams, how our meeting house is likened to that of the human anatomy. Mātātua is one of my marae. Yeah, there's like how many? Like 4? Eee, suplexity. Chew my bro. So as I may have mentioned in some of our streams, how our meeting houses are depicted like the human anatomy. So at the top you have obviously the face, which is a mask. That's obviously the face of the ancestor, which with the 2 large barge boards on either side being the maihi, which we call them, which are his arms. And at the end you have ngā raparapa, which are the fingertips. Some meeting houses will have 4, some meeting houses will have 3, so those represent birth, life and death, breakfast, lunch and tea, whatever. The 4th represents the afterlife as well. Zameezy, thank you very much for the sub, brother. And then on either side you have ngā amo, which are his legs. Much appreciated, brother. Holy damn, who gifted these biddies? Okay. Lukesh, thank you very much for the bits, man. Much appreciated. Okay, we'll carry on, eh? Hey! Uncle Charizard. I'm a Blastoise man myself, but chew my bro, hope you're well. Thanks for the resub, brother. Oh, and Soul Zero gifted a sub. Now, something our ancestors also used, ladies and gentlemen, to indicate if the sea urchins were fat and ready, otherwise known as the kenas, is this tree here, known as a pohutukawa, as a youngling. Well, I think there's a pohutukawa, because there's a pohutukawa in the Christmas tree, which looks similar, but the leaves or the flowers, pohutukawa's ones are dark red, and the Christmas tree is light red. Yo, Tani Farms, thank you very much for the subs. Oh, the bits, my bro. Hey, new man. You man. How you been, my bro? My bad, I haven't dropped into any S-Farm streams lately. Okay. With my body, I will not jump over that bloody chain, so I'll take the easy route. Lower ledge. Successful Assassin's Creed maneuver. Hey, cheer, brother Hammer. Oh, the sun's going to be right in the camera, so sorry. Where's this? Whakatane, so this is where Mrs. Broxh is from. This is more of a coastal town, and it does smell like rotten eggs from where I'm from. Not much sulphur, well, no sulphur here. Now I don't know if we can go to the meeting house next door with some of the old carvings I've done now, because they have a big meeting here. The flowers that bloom in a certain plant, urchin is fair. Yeah, Kehoe, so inland, so because my tribes are more inland, where I was brought up, we had the tree called the Kawhai tree. Now obviously Kawhai translates to yellow tree, and it had yellow leaves. When those sprouted, all the tribes within more inland knew the kinas were ready and it's time to do some trades. Yeah, 4. Thank you for the 3 months, brother. I always get iffy about doing these kinds of streams, eh? Getting stopped by people and get all shy. Doesn't look like anyone's here, so we'll just wing it, eh, and go in. So there's 2 carvings in this meeting house whānau that I'm very proud of to be a part of. I bought the stream here twice, I think. Yo, Sir Gasolod, thank you very much for the sub, my bro. Cheer Thunder. So this is what's known as a waharoa, which translates to long mouth, but it's a gateway done in the mātātua style. So see, it's quite flat and simple, but with the hardest design known as Hai Hai Pakati. Hi Jam Cameron. So these are the designs here. So the Hai Hais are these cuts, and the Pakatis you see here. It's a much beautiful town. Ah, it's alright. No. Okay. So I've been asked many times what are some of the carvings I'm most proud of, and you can see the 2 amors on each side. Those were projects I got to be a part of as a student back in the carving school. And why I'm so proud of them is because they're going to be here for my children, my grandchildren to see. Like, they're going to outlast me, that's for sure. Nice place, man. Yeah, it's not even my place, but so yeah, we got to do these pieces here. What are the name of these twins? It's been that long, I've forgotten. Tai Timuroa. One of them is Tai Timuroa, and I can't remember the other one. Are the colours significant? Yeah, it represents the red ochre clay, but because we don't use that anymore, we use Pioneer Red. There, Timon, thank you very much for the sub, my bro. So if you can see, yeah, it's been a while. Bro, I moulded this leg, eh? I dug all the meat out here, all the wood. I done all these pakatis here, especially these ones. Now what these twins were known for is spinning tops, so if you can see in their hands. What's that for, Thunder? Is it cold there? No, it's quite nice. Yo, Coconut Man, thanks for the 5 months, brother. Thank you, my bro. So yeah, if you can see, they're quite renowned for bottle tops, and they were quite spoilt as kids too. And obviously the uncle was quite jealous of them, so he killed them. So how they found out that it was the uncle, they had a manuote flying over their pa site, so the father did, and he did karakia or incantation to see who it was, and it floated over his brother's pa site or where he was living, and they knew straight away it was him. That's why jealousy's not good. And there's an ancestor in here that I descend from too. So you have the Mataora, which is not a kirituhi. Hey. Chūeru. So this fellow here, ko te Ruamano, he's an ancestor I come from. Now he was the one that named, which a place called Ruatoki got named after. So ngā toki e rua o Ruamano, so which is this individual here. What he was known for was having big thick dreads. Will I have them? Nope. Lasagni, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Oh, he's on look at the ceiling. Oh yeah, so these things here, these beams with the core 5 designs on them, those are the rib cage, so you can see the tahuhu. Now I have to bend back just so you can see it. That's it there. I don't know if you can see it. Should have had the selfie stick, but I'll look weird with that. So that's the spine of the ancestor, and these beams here and the heke are the rib cage. Anyway, oh, come on now, Joggy, grind forward, bro. Don't kiss bum and expect the easy way. Anyway, I don't even think I'm supposed to be here, so I better get up before I get a growling. How's everyone been anyway? Hey Fenta, how are you, my friend? So be prepared for a lot of heavy breathing, because we're probably going to go uphill. Up there. Way up there. Oh, how long has this motto been here for? Bro, I'll show you, bro. It got taken. I'll show you on the way back, eh? So it got taken, bro, and displayed all over the world. And they took it to Australia and they built it wrong. So all the carvings or the two-dimensional figures that were outside were, or they were inside, were put on the outside. And to make it fit, they used saws in that to cut them down. And then it travelled to the next place, and a wahine Māori, or Māori woman from here, noticed it in another country how it was built, and she dropped to her knees and cried because of the state that her ancestor was in. I mean, I would too. Well, I'd be angry, really. Hey Maddie, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Much appreciated, my man. Yo, can we get a shout out for JT as well? He's probably asleep. Broxh is pretty. You can't even see my face. Everyone's like looking at me and like, fuck, what does this dude have a camera on his shoulder? Looks like a dick. Yo, Mary's Lambs, thank you very much for the bits. Thank you very much, much appreciated. Oh, I'm dreading these bloody stairs. I've never been so unfit in my life. Whew. Is it summer where you are? Yeah, brother. Like Predator movie with his gun on his shoulder. Yeah, but his looks cool. Imagine having one of those big Ryobi cameras on your shoulder, eh? This neighbourhood looks nice. Yeah, in the daytime. But everyone's scared of my father-in-law, so it's quite alright. I mean, he's as chill as I am. Hey, true, no man. True, brother, sturdy. The old hood taggings. Getting inches of snow right now. I wouldn't mind the cold, eh? Pardon me. So up there's a waterfall. Well, I wouldn't swim in it. Some of my ancestors used to wash the bodies in this waterfall. Can I still comment on an egg? I guess so. Just don't be an egg. G2 snow. There's a big boy unbuilt for heat. Me too, brother. I get grumpy when it's hot. Nice weather, bro. Yeah, for now. We came over and it was raining. Joseph Markia, thank you very much for the sub, my bro. Ngā mihi, my bro. Yeah, Dark Angler. They think my father-in-law's a serial killer. And I'm like, you as mellow as a Snorlax. He's a good fella though. My father-in-law's been more of a father to me than mine. Hi, shush. Oh, these are nice. How cold does it usually get in New Zealand? I mean, the lowest it gets where I am usually -1, so not too crazy. More down south they get the extreme temperature drops. Cyberpunk Rotorua. Just chill, bro. Can I tick up some batteries for my arm? Storm Nomad, thank you very much for the bits, brother. Where are you going? Just for a walk. I saw a lookout, so I said, oh, we'll go up there. Why not? Oh, there was him too. Who remembers the ringins? There was Teeps. You are the man. I am the man. Yeah, the bird sounds really good. Usually around 5 o'clock. Man, they sound good as. Because all that hill there just lights up with birds in the mornings. Sharp thumbtack. Thank you very much for the bits, brother. Thank you very much, my bro. The kind of birds are these? Noisy ones. Oh, it's a Tesla. Those are the cars all these young Fortnite kids get into there. Go down the luge. Yeah, I want to do that with the pack. Definitely. I've never done the luge, like ever. But it'll probably be fun. Just hopefully no Wipeout City. No Christmas decorations. Oh, just in the middle of town, I think. Thank you very much once again, Sharp Thumbtack. So, who was buzzing out at Sephiroth being the new character in Smash? I was like, damn, the Sword King character. The Sword Character King to rule all sword characters. He's gonna be broken. Yeah, bro, his reach is gonna be stupid. I was like, give him a chance to be in it, the one with the biggest sword in all of gaming almost. Very few cars passing by, how nice. Oh yeah, I'm not even in the middle of town, I'm just on the outskirts, because you don't go through the middle of town to where I'm going. Maybe you could visit Mr. Chen Chen's house. I don't know exactly where he stays, but I don't know what place he stays in. Choke's finest. Okay, always look left and right before you cross the road, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry if the sun like fully beams the screen. Why are they driving on the wrong side of the road? Ah, we drive differently to other countries as well. Aussies are the same as us too. Where are you off to? Ah, they need a destination. Just go. Buzz Angels. Okay, that sounds quite naughty. You need to put Bailey White in Super Smash. Who would you guys like to see in Smash? There's just so much games, eh? So much options where on who you could put in. Do you do any fishing? Yeah, not that good at it though. Pretty much a dark angler. Ricky Ralph, bro, that'll be cool if they put Ralph in the game. That's a good idea. Kung Fu Panda, scene 39, Act 2, when he walks up and he's been captured by the Emperor, and then he sees the stairs. My old enemy, stairs. Goku and Smash, oh, that'd be pretty cool too. Looks like a nice day. Yeah, I was supposed to do it earlier this morning, but I slept in. I was like, yeah, I'll get up early, and then, oh nah, phone's flat, so I'll let it charge and never sleep. Whew, almost there. You need a dog, bro. I'd love a dog, eh? Ed Nacho Libre. Ooh. That would be cool. Who else though? I like the Wreck-It Ralph suggestion from the bro. Oh my god. Whew. Fucking hell. And we're not even there yet. Anacondas, please. Who else would I like to see? What are the steps called? Tired. That's what they're called. This is time to get my ass back to the gym, I think. Whew. Come on, bro, you only just started. Hey, sorry about you, CrossFit. Oh, it's nice and cool in here. Nacho Libre music. Goma, thank you for the 5 months, brother. And Mr. Glum, thank you very much for the sub as well, my bro. Oh jeez, that's why I carve, because I'm in the one place. These could almost pass on, not even. Poppies, almost. I hear young energetic kids. Oh, check, Oma. Oh. Mrs. Broxh is watching. Oh, I got a stage. Oh, my goodness. Oh, Rick and Thunder. Oh. Fucking hell. Sit on that rock. Oh. Oops. Oh. Sorry to all the fit guys that can do this in one breath. Honestly, I don't care. Are we back? Okay, must be back, eh? Note to self, don't sit on rocks under trees, it will muck up the connection. Okay. Sitting on the trees is no good. That's Motohora. Whakari's more that way. Twitch doesn't want you to take breaks. Okay. Well, since I've done that, I'm gonna head up. If it cuts out, I'll probably carry on. See if the connection gets better at the top. Hopefully that's all good with you. Is that all good? Nim's New Year's show. Oh, what's that? This is the first time I think someone else told me about it, but once again I don't even know. Okay, I'll go up and see how we go. Oh, just wait for this dude to get out the way. It's probably when we go under trees, I think. Okay, let's go. CMCGA? I have no idea what that means, eh? Okay, here we go. How's the connection? Whew. Oh jeez. So where's Whakatane? There she is in the distance. If you can see her over there. Ozzy. So if you don't know, like a year ago now, in a few days now, people actually passed away on the island. There was a volcano, well it is, and yeah, it erupted and some people lost their lives there a year ago. In Australia. Okay, take my glasses off, eh? Whew. Yeah, but see, she's still erupting now. I don't know if you can see that plume of cloud. But the dumb thing about it is, there were first responders that went out to help, and they're getting fined by work and safety just because they went out of their own accord to go and help instead of waiting for the so-called professionals. And there's a petition going around to stop them from getting fined. Can't see. Oh, fair enough. Okay, the whole family's gone. Oh, not even. Stairmaster. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Yeah, hard. They're putting them in the wrong for having a heart, for caring. That's one thing I hate. Whew. Okay. Yeah. Nice and flat. So go along the fence line. Whew. So there we have our warehouse down there, where everyone gets a bargain. Marichi and Mega in the back, where you can get linseed oil and other various things for carving. Posture check. Oh, this Whakatane, brother. Follow the fence line. That's where all the rich people live. Coastlands. Making our way around. Oh yeah. Sunset is amazing. Yeah, I think we've got a few more hours. Woo! So that's all Opihi over there, and what the local council's trying to do is trying to build more on their retirement home when it's actually sacred land. But yeah. Three days after my 32nd birthday. Feels bad, man. Oh, they need to mow the grass up here or bring a goat up. Let's go up there. Oh yeah. Yeah, you know, when we got here, because I wanted to do a walking stream, I just looked for somewhere to walk, and here, seen this. Yeah. This is Wairaka. I can see Mrs. Broxh waving. Okay. Thank you, Kid Corgi, for the sub, my bro. Kid Corgi. And I'm guessing that's where all the other rich people live over there. So there's another walk here too, called Toys Track, where it takes you up there. We might do that, but if the... Damn, whose owns those? But if the connection cuts out easy under trees, I might not. Everybody waves to Mrs. Broxh. We are there now. Oh, they're going back inside. Okay, here we go. For the views. Now me Red Bull. What a view. And those on. Bloody beauty. Okay, let's look at the Motuora Island. Bloody beauty. Sponsor moment. Oh, the wind is mean on my sweaty back. Don't jump, please. It actually doesn't give you wings. Yeah, I just thought we should have a walk and get a bougie view in. I was going to go down there, down to the heads there, to walk on the Sugarloaf, which is just a bunch of rocks. Maybe we'll do that for next time, but if I do it, I'm tucking my phone away because I've got drop phone between the rocks, Iris. Did you have your fridge on your back? Oh, Hammer, yeah, I'm already sponsored by them, brother. I might actually take some photos while I'm up here. Okay, there you go. Then I'll take a selfie. Me in the chat. Oh, camera's looking out to Rotorua. Take a selfie with yous. I'll post that on Insta saying took the chat for a walk. Oh, high tide. High tide's coming in. Yo, Blade NZ. Thank you very much for the sub, my bro. Much appreciated, brother. Oh, these two guys looking up the hill, maybe at me, but I don't know. Are you his viewers? Thank you very much for the raid, Blade. Let's just take in the view a bit more before we go back down. So the toys track from up the top there actually goes right down to the heads there. But because of all the trees that go over the track, I'm not sure if the signal will hold. Well, Conus, thank you very much for the sub too, brother. Thank you, thank you. So we actually came from that area there, walked from there, went around from the marae to the other marae and came back around the back here. Waterfall, came around, right around, almost died up the hill here. Stopped over here because the connection went bad, almost died up here. Then thank God there was flat land, and here we are. Okay. Wow, this breeze is good. I should just stay up here till my drink's all gone. Actually. Yeah, so that's Motohora, which is Whale Island. Not really sure what those islands over there are called. But I'm just in the distance there is Whakatane, the active volcano. And that volcano is a woman. Oh, there's a drunk guy down on the road. I don't know if you can see him, but he's doing Tokyo drift all over the road. Okay, walk back around and we'll head back down. Is that the South Island I see when you... No, that's not, brother. So you have to head down to Wellington. See the Cook Strait. And then you'll see Nelson. Famous NZ. Oh bro, there's no place I'd rather be, eh? But if you want to see views on views on views, in terms of scenery, South Island is definitely one of those places as well. Could be Ben, it hasn't come through yet. Sorry, brother. But thank you for the sub anyway, my bro. What's down there? Oh, just a gym. Oh, pardon me. Okay. How's the scenery in Gore? I've never been that far down there. I haven't even been on the south. But I hear it's beautiful down there too. Hello. Got a travel scenery here north, yeah. There's one scene I would love to see. Panda. Ever been to Hamilton? Yeah, passed through. Haven't stayed. Slender, bro. Slender man. Damn, these are deep stairs. Wow, why do they put a light up here? Or do people come up here for secret snogs? I want to see a monkey. Look in the mirror. No, no monkeys here, brother. Only possums. Are you wearing sandals? Yeah. I was going to wear my gumboots, but I didn't want to get sweaty feet. It was a donut. Oh, gee. Glaive armour. Thank you, bud. Oh, sis. I don't know if anyone else saw it, but her air freshener was a donut. How are you? I've caught my breath, so I'm good now. Very good. The category is Paladin Panda from WoW. So obviously it's a WoW Shadowlands code, so the category is going to be for WoW. Rude, didn't stop. Kick your car. I hate dudes that don't do that. Yo, Bat Pie, thank you very much for the sub, bro. Much appreciated, my bro. And Buffalo Trucker, much appreciated. Whānau, thank you very much. We off to the pub for some? No, I don't drink. I don't know what that feature is supposed to be. Bloody hell. Yeah, it's 7 and 8 and then NZ, brother. Well, 10 past, but you know. No one's ever really on the dot. Even if it's 7:05, it's just 7. How's the corona situation? Yeah, pretty much under control. 2-0. But yeah, everything's back at normal, but you know, everyone's still aware that it's out there. So masks are mandatory on public transport. Beautiful day there, brother. Much love from me and my family in Dallas. Oh, a Dallas Maverick. Thank you very much, Non-Vite, for the sub, my bro. With the 2 months as well. God damn. Love to you and your family too, brother. Thank you very much. Oh, I care about... Oh, in your country. Sorry, brother. Even though, like, Corona's not here, I'm still gonna be, like, that guy about it. So I have a newborn and I've only let close family members see my newborn daughter. Mavs, but not the Cowboys. Man, I always see Tim the Tap Man, moaning about the Cowboys because they're not doing well. I think all they have to do is him stop predicting what they're going to score, then they might do good. Because he always gets himself. I always have a good laugh at Tim the Tap Man's cowboy tweets. And like, oh, you poor dude. Go Miami Heat. Oh, I'm a Pelicans man now. See, we came from up there. That one. Oh, that one. Oh, I didn't even know there was one there. Oh, that must be the other one. Ah, ratchet. Oh well, next walk we go up the other one. Ratchet. Put a picture of me angry. Yeah, I'll just Pelicans mana for Steven Adams, really. I just follow him. Hello. Bam! Can you see it? Time to go back and climb the other one. Not today, mate. Okay, if you haven't seen these are boats that I don't own, and they just sit there and do nothing but get wet. Hello Jacob. Stephen Adams is a tank and such a nice dude. Oh yeah, I just like him because he's just him, and he's from here, from Aotearoa NZ, and he's a weeb as well. Hey, cheer brother Ziggy. Yeah, a bit of a nice sunset coming through behind me. I was going to try catch the sunrise, but me in sleep is quite better. Rocks were tilted. Oh no, that's not good. Are we good now? What town is this? Whakatane? Oh yeah. What do you uwus do? That goalpost. That's a nice walk up Mount Maunganui. Yeah, I really want to do that walk. I haven't done it myself. My family's not really keen. So next time I'm over those ways with my brother-in-law, gonna try and do it. So I like seeing sunshine. Oh, total route. I'm actually gonna try and do them more because I'll be spending Christmas here with my in-laws. So it just seems like a good opportunity to do it. Some tattered muscled up gym bros over there. Bet you they haven't done a carving that's gonna last longer. Nah, longer than their muscles. No, those ones eh. Currently 3 feet of snow outside, also the COVID, but you should do a snow angel outside your door. Have you played much Shadowlands? Not much bro. Trying to get my second 60, but it's been a bit hard because obviously more of my time gets dedicated towards my children, or try to, for I've got a newborn. I don't even think the bag will get good connection out, and doesn't COVID sucks? Bro, it sucks, it gags, it's shit. I hate COVID. Yeah, probably will be sick fella, definitely. No, I'd rather show them Ruatauna first, where I'm from. And Murupara, yeah. Whew. Hopefully a better 2021, definitely bro, definitely. Got some plans for next year, some plans. Thank you Thunderboy. All thanks to Mrs. Broxh, man. She's the MVP. Got something big happening next year, whānau, which I can't talk much about, but I can tease you guys about it. Who is it with? I can't tell you that either. But who's in it? Me? That's about as much as you can get. Or who's involved in it, I should say. Ruatauna would blow their minds. Yeah, it's just a matter of the connection, really, where I'm from. Give us a little taste, see what it tastes like. Nah, just know that I'm a part of it. And the first tease will be revealed next month. Mrs. Broxh, content creator, no, she has no interest in this. Oh, all good, Shinrong. Have a good one, brother. Nacho Libre sequel, imagine. Oh damn. Jai Scott, yo, thank you Jai Scott for the 7 months, my brother. Bro, it's been a while, I haven't been in your streams lately. How you been? We can imagine. Cheerio, brother Joe Scott. How you been, brother? Sorry I haven't dropped in for a while. That Rock Lee piece, bro, look mean. Oh, look good, look great, look fire. Sorry, I was just taking in that sweet aroma of the Kentucky. Can we get it out there? Cheer Nomad for the shout out. Oh damn. It's shipping out soon. Oh bro, have you done Tusk already? Bro, if you haven't, bro, I don't mind any piece from you is great, brother. Thank you very much, my bro. Now if you guys want to know, Jai Scott's a painter. He's a weeb like many of us here, and he is currently doing Deku, a painting of Deku. You should check him out on Instagram as well. He's another one of my favourite artists on Twitch. So there's only a few. So Dave Greco's one, Thunder, Jai Scott, 3 of the artists that I love to watch the most. And there are a few others, like Dez, I like watching Dez. Who else? Metal Within Me. Bro, there's a few, eh? Kazillion or Regan. Going on your boat. Oh, I wish I owned one of these, bro. I'd go straight fishing. But I've been playing a lot of League of Legends Wild Rift 2 since I'm away from the PC. Graves. Bro, you know what I've been wanting to watch lately? The early seasons of Beyblades. Spinning it out at the speed of sound, we're gonna rip it up. Some Ventolan. What's that, Fenta? Bam! Look in the shadow. True, imagine, yeah, bro, the Pohutiko are starting to flourish, so that means the kidneys are getting fat. Bro, all these new Beyblades, eh? How they got their launcher technique. No one will ever beat Tyson's one in the dojo, eh? It goes, no one will ever beat it. If anyone brings their opinion on launcher techniques, I go, no, not here. When I visited NZ a long time ago, a group of pedestrians asked me to go back to my country. I was in Dunedin. Oh, bloody gronks. Yeah. You see how people try and plaster this place for not being racist. Bro, there's heaps of racists here too. Go back to your country. Oh, okay, I'm from Dunedin. They'll be like, oh, who's the dick now? Go back to Dunners. What the hell? Just mate, you'll come here for a party, no doubt. Hey, Macy? Well, I'm off to try sleep. Thanks for sharing this place where you live. Take care of that knee. Have a good day. Cheers, brother. My knee's good, brother. It's my knee knocker. No, those ones. Cheers, brother. Have a good one. Much love, brother. Yeah. Thank you, Frogbug1, for the sub. So someone wanted to know about Whakatane again, and I said we'd come back to it. No exit. Oh, what is it? Yeah, he deleted Parallel's comment. Hell. What country are you streaming in? Aotearoa, New Zealand. I thought Parallel's comment was quite funny. Oh, it's all good, Fanta. The chat moved. Oh, the Ngāpuhi waka. Hey, you mean the Mātātua waka. They just haven't given it back yet. For the horde, bro. Always, brother. Okay, here's the board of where the meeting house travelled. So these dates, this is when the meeting house was taken. Its first destination. So around this time period is when they reassembled the house wrong. So the carvings were put on the outside, exposed to the sun, and obviously got destroyed. Well, some of them did, eh? And then went to London, and that's when a descendant of this meeting house seen it and chopped to her knees. Then down to Dunners, go back to one country, Otago, and then eventually it made it back home. So this meeting house is very old. Very old. So one thing you'll notice about these carvings, can you see it? So if I step back a bit, tell me if you can see it. What's the black stain? Oh, it's just paint. So within this section here, can you guys see it? Eyes. Width? Oh, nothing to do with the width. So I'll just tell you that. So these three here are originals. This is much newer, this one here. So you'll see this carving on the end here is more recent than the rest. So you'll notice the old style compared to the new. Some of these carvings were carved from stone, I believe, as well. So if you can see, the lines are much cleaner in the pākatis you see here. I don't know if it's TOS, but it's a woman. It's Wairaka. So the meeting house shop's still on the other side. I'm not going to point it out just in case they try and ban me, but they've just been, if they try and do that, then I'll take it to them. So these are much older carvings, as you can see. Within the designs, not as clean is the other ones. So if you can see them. So a patsumere, so a patu made out of obviously pounamu or nephrite jade. And yeah, usually if figures are between the legs, children as well. If they ever had figures on the tongue, that would indicate that they were cannibals. So once again, same on the other side, a more recent carving compared to the three here, as you can see. One of my bros actually descends from him, Piro Whenua. You did this, Broxh? No, I done none of this, the carvings in here. These are the ones I was a part of. I didn't do them on my own. It was a group of us. So these are some of the carvings that I'm most proud of, because these are going to be seen by my children and my grandchildren for many, many generations. This will definitely outlast me for sure. But will they ever say you don't have to? Nah. So this one here, along with the one on the end there. Yeah, so these two carvings here are two of the pieces I'm most proud of in my life. A big achievement for me, because they not only benefit my people but my children's people as well, these tribes. So as you can see, just goes back to that thing I always follow, is our legacy are our deeds. And then there's paint coming off. Bro, I done all these. Oh, come on. Who done this side? Oh, that's gonna bug me now, this bit that didn't got left untouched. But anyway, yeah, it's just something here that I'll hold with me for the rest of my life. Yeah, I think it was the third time I bought the stream here, but it's always good to bring people here that are new to the stream too. And that over there is a marquee. Now what they use these for, sometimes large gatherings, birthdays, the occasional party, and a drink where the reasons do not matter, just other than drinking. Hey, could probably host a little concert in here, but that would be quite boring, because you'd probably fall. No. Yeah, I think when we go and climb up the mount, I think Thunder was going to take us up, so he'll probably gas us up the hill, take us a bloody while. Ngāti Hokopu, yeah, on this side, brother, or this whole area really. So my wahine and my kids are from Ngāti Hokopu as well. Drax project featuring Broxh. I'll be like, bro, I'll just plug all the stuff in. I'll be your fella's roadie. Thanks for the tour, Broxh. First time I'm streaming, this is pretty cool. Ah, welcome, brother. Rain of fire. Damn. One thing about this place too, it's the ute capital, I believe. There's a lot of utes around here. Heaps. Well, we'll take you. Oh, that guy walking with his tongue in there. Creepo. I'll just wait at the bottom. Yeah, me too. Thunder can take the bag. Oh yeah. Wairaka. What's a utility vehicle? So just trucks really, bro. Yeah. Utopia. Do you do streams like this every day? Nah, brother, just when I can, really. I need to try and go to the redwoods, back where I'm from. But even being under those little trees up there and the connection was lost, I'm like, will it hold? Guess the only way we can know is if we try. So we gotta try. Mutes don't have to. The panatira. The panat of Guinness. Oh. Whew. This your marae ba? Nah, this is my wahine's marae. This ahipara. Oh, jeez, I don't know. This Whakatane and Wairaka. And just know if you're trying to use the dono button, haha, shame. I took it off. Yeah, Peo, there's quite a few. I haven't been to all of them. Would love to though. I just found out. Oh, one of my old carving tutors lives here too, but I don't know if he'd want to be on stream. Cuts Maihi is his name. Someone I look up to. He is a mataora as well. Not a kiritui. Hydrate. Oh, got no bottle. Oh, I'll definitely have a drink for you, JT. Are you still streaming, JT? Oh, and Bob the build-ups too. Yeah, there's no tap around here either. I would have just went straight from the tap. Whew. What did you guys think of that walk? Let me know. Can we get a closer look at the grass? Okay then. Here we go. Close look to the grass. Should we get a hair flick? I won't be able to do it though. Maybe want to get up and go outside. Oh, it's true, brother. How's your painting going, brother Snuff? Well, he wanted to check the grass out, so what better way to get closer?